Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton bag comparison. So I want to do a Louis Vuitton bag comparison between both of these beauties right here. My Louis Vuitton Chantilly GM and my Louis Vuitton Saumur 30. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching, as well as go ahead, hit the like button. Hit the like button if you love Louis Vuitton handbag comparison videos, and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that I want to do is get some measurements. Then I wanted to talk with you a little bit about what each of these beauties can hold. So let's start off with the Louis Vuitton Chantilly GM. When I initially purchased this bag, I decided to go with the GM size because, you know, the Chantilly comes in a smaller size, and I wanted to make sure that I would have enough space to wear this bag crossbody, and I would still be able to fit all of my items and my essentials and my necessities. So yeah, the dimensions of this bag are about 9.5 inches tall by 10 inches long. So she's 9.5 inches tall by about 10 inches long, 9.5 by 10 inches. And then the width is about, at her widest point, I would say the width is about 2.5 inches. So she's about 2.5 inches wide. Right here, she's about 2.5 inches wide. And this is what she looks like at the bottom. And please make sure you go ahead and check out my other Louis Vuitton videos on my channel where I've spoke about this bag several times before and did other videos on her. The next bag is the Saumur 30. This bag right here. And this bag, the dimensions are about 11 inches long by about 8 inches tall. So I have my tape measure right here. She's about 11 inches long by about 8 inches tall. So she's about 11 inches long by about 8 inches tall. And she is about width-wise, I would say at her widest point, she's about 4.5 inches wide. So at her widest point, she's about 4.5 inches wide. So they do have a similar look to them. You know, they both have a similar look to them. They both have buckle closures in the front. They both have this tab right here in the front. And the Saumur also has that tab in the back. The Saumur is adjustable. There are several settings that you can go ahead and put the closure, the buckle closure on for this bag. Both of the bags are one continuous, the flap is one continuous piece of canvas. So you're gonna see the LV right side up on the front of the bag. And when you turn the bag around, the LV is gonna be upside down because it is one continuous piece of canvas. It's the same with the Chantilly. The LV will be correct in the right, right side up. And then when you go ahead and turn the bag to the back, the LV will be upside down. And both of the bags can carry a lot. Both of the bags have a very long adjustable strap. They both have a very long adjustable strap. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the strap right now. They both have a very long adjustable strap. You'll be able to wear both of these bags crossbody. And the Saumur has two sections. So, you can go ahead and take it apart right here. And then the bag has two separate sections. The Chantilly only has the one main section compartment of the bag. When I go ahead and unbuckle it, it only has this one large compartment with a back pocket against the back wall. It only has the one large back pocket, but it's only one piece, where the Saumur has two sides to the bag. Both of the bags can, depending on, how easily you want to access your bag, they both have that buckle closure. So